You have anything to say?
You have a zoom in button.
I know, but you're right here. You're already so close. Here, I'll zoom you in.
I'm very excited to get married.
Yeah? Yo, boys at brunch. Boys at brunch. Boys at brunch. I'm also here.
You were the subject of the whole. It's you went behind the whole thing.
How are you recording?
It's your wedding day, dude. We need every minute.
Yes, I'm gonna cry again. It's gonna be the most perfect day.
All right, here we are. Nick's getting ready, looking pretty. Oh yeah, that's what we like to see.
Welcome, family and friends. We're gathered here today to celebrate the union of Meghan and Nick. We know that this is what love looks like, as these two have found their soulmate. Nick and Meghan, do you now pledge your commitment to each other in marriage, to comfort, honor, and provide for each other? We do. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Nick, you may kiss your bride. It's my great pleasure to introduce you for the first time as a married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Nicholas Meghan.
Love,